So, whatever is in your mind, we will be taking a look on it. You have to pick up one card from it, okay? And only one card. Try to pick it up one, but you can do it yourself. This will be pile number one, pile number two, pile number three, okay? You can pause the video and pick the one. I will be beginning with pile number one. Whatever situation you have in your mind, I will be seeing what you are getting regarding it. Okay, so pile number one, you are getting the devil. Okay, so quite interesting. I'm seeing whatever it is, you are quite obsessed with it, or it's like you are feeling like it's need. It's my current need that I have it right now. Whether it's a person, career, finance, I will say with the devil, you are being either too much concern or maybe let's say it's in your head like too much. You just have to be little cool down. And with the devil, I will say you need to release something. I'm not saying release that particular goal, person, or something like that, but maybe how it will happen, when it will happen. It is not happening now. It is not happening my way. It is happening in some kind of different way. Okay, something about release the expectation or the way you are trying to control the thing in this. Whatever you have in your mind, release that. Don't control it. Okay. Pile number two, you are getting the 10 of pentacle. You are being told what if you have anything in mind related to success or something, whether I will be getting success or not, or commitment related, something like that, it's a yes for you. And with the 10 of pentacle, I am seeing like something is coming to fruition in your life, like something is now will be coming to give you the fruits of your labor, your hard work. So I will say maybe you will, if you are on a social media, you will be getting many followers, subscriber, or people will be following you in some shape, way, or form. And something about monetary blessings, and at the same manner, like relationship wise also, I'm seeing you are being blessed. So if it's also a yes or no, something you are being told yes, it's a yes, go for it. Okay. And for, oh my god, pile number three, you are getting love. Oh my god, such a sweet card to get. The only one message I am getting, like whatever you are trying to achieve, whether it's a person or anything, have compassion towards it, and something about charge forward, but with love. But with love. Okay, you will be going to get it. Whatever it is, whatever this is, no matter how much difficult this thing is, if you will be trusting it, you will be um, going towards it with love, you will be able to achieve it. Okay, so that's what